So hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how we can integrate Firebase in our React Native application. To do this, I am open my React Native application in VS Code. So let me just open the application. So I am running in Android emulator. So you can see build it successfully. Now we can see our project is running in Android emulator. To set up the Firebase in our React Native application, first of all we need to go the Firebase website, and here if you have already created account, you can directly go to the go to console, and I am creating a new project. So Firebase setup, you can say I can continue. It will ask for my default account. You can say it will take few minutes to create, or so you can see our Firebase project is ready. So let's continue. And we are doing the Firebase setup application for the Android. So just click the Android. uh, in upcoming video we will see how we can set up the Firebase in iOS. So in this video we are focusing on the Android. So let's just click on the Android. Here it is asking for the Android package name. Now you can get the Android package name from the, so you can see this is our package name, com dot new app. So let me copy and just pasting the Android package name. See the demo new app. Okay, so here we need to put the sh1 key. So just generating the sh1 key. I am going to the Android directory and Gradle sign in report. You will see we have successfully generated our sh1 key. We need to just copy. So we are copy the sh1 key of the variant debug Android test, and config is debug. So let me just copy and paste, register. In this video we are following the RN Firebase documentation. You can see RN Firebase documentation. So you can see all the things related to Firebase in React Native. So let me just install this package, npm install React Native Firebase app. So npm install, I am just installing the React Native Firebase. You can see second step is a download Google services.json file. So I have downloaded, and we need to paste this file inside the Android app, inside the app directory in Android. So let me open Reveal in this folder. You can see we have to put our file inside here. So this is the file. We need to paste our file from here. So let me just rename. So for if you will download this file, you don't need to rename this file, because I have already downloaded the 3024 Google services dot file. So that's why it is. So you don't need to rename this file Google services.json. After that we are coming into the VS Code, where you can see Google services.json file. It is present inside the app directory. You can see inside the app. Next, for do this we are not going to follow this documentation. We are going to follow the this RN Firebase documentation. What it is saying, for React Native CLI Android setup, we need to do three changes in the file. You can see first we need to put this class path inside the Android build.gradle. You can see Android build.gradle. Android build.gradle. We need to just put the class path com.google.gms colon Google Services 4.4.1. And second thing is apply plugin in the Android app build.gradle file. You can see Android app this build.gradle file. And also we need to put one thing here as per documentation firebase bomb file. You can see, so let me just copy inside the android app build.gradle file. Android app build.gradle file dependency. You can see we have successfully pasted our code in our application in file. So let me just stop the server and run again. If build is successfully, then our Firebase configuration has successfully done in our project. You can see build is successfully. It means our Firebase configuration is successfully in our project. And to verify this, we are going to open Android Studio and sync with our project. We will see Android Studio, and you can see here you can say sync project with Gradle file. If is there any error, it will come when you are setting Firebase in your application. You can just go and see sync. You can see build is successful means there is no error in our project. So we have successfully configured our Firebase in our React Native application. Thank you.